Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer the ownership of a website in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to log into your account. So log into your account where your website is that you want to transfer the ownership of. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard right here where you can find all your websites and you want to open up the settings of the website that you want to transfer this ownership of. So you can click the three dots right here in the upper right corner and click settings, or you can directly open up the website right here. And if you open up your website, what you want to do is just go ahead and open up the settings option right here, and this is now going to open up this new menu and settings of your website. And here you can find all the website menu options such as site availability, languages, and so on. What we want to do is look right here at the left side of the screen where we can find those sections we can access, and you want to open up permissions and ownership. So open up permissions and ownership, and this is going to open up this page where we can go and manage who has permission to edit our website. You can invite contributors, add a basic author, do whatever you want. And guys, if you want to transfer it to somebody, you want to invite them first as a contributor, and after inviting them, you want to transfer ownership. So click the transfer ownership right option right here. This is going to enable you to log in, and after you log in, guys, you can go and transfer it to whoever you wish, and after that, it'll be transferred to them. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.